Namaste. I'm Mrs. Maithili Varadarajan, Reiki Master Teacher from Bangalore. Today, I give you a few remedies using the gem stones. The stones are so many thousands in number, and we cannot buy all of them. So, there have been therapies where we use these gemstones by using a therapy called telehealing, in which we use these stones to heal different people by using an electrical instrument, or we also give the people to chant these gem names of the gemstones like we give the switch words. They can be chanted 100 times daily for a period of a month or two, depending on the intensity of the problem. The most common things we have given this chanting of the gemstones as switch words were for the teenagers. I found a few girls who used to come to me having this problem of infatuation when they are in the college. So I used to give them the chanting of cat's eye about 100 times and choral for about 100 times daily for a period about 3 months. Some of them also opted to scripting, that is writing daily 100 times and chanting 100 times. Those who did both the jobs had got the results faster, and they were able to be more strong at their heart in not getting attracted to the things that are around them and they are not right for them. They knew that the things are not right for them, and that is why they could heal it up faster. Chanting of these gemstones is itself enough to bring out the results. Then there was one more thing the women came to me about. They came to ask me that they wanted to come out of the unwanted relationships. They had some issues when they are married and they did not want those relationships to continue with them. People were disturbing them. The other people, the other men in the society, they used to disturb them for various reasons, and they wanted to come out of these issues. They knew it is a blessing that they knew that that kind of relationship is not healthy for them or for their family, and they wanted to come out of such kind of unwanted relationships. Here, the three gem remedies were ruby and green garnet. Sorry, two gem remedies, that is the ruby and green garnet. They were chanting this for about 3 months, and all that kind of energy by which the people would come into contact with them and tell them that they are into some kind of relationship, they were disturbed. All that had, those charges had gone, and they were living a much peaceful life. You may chant 100 times, write 100 times, write it on a water bottle with either the marker pen, or they can be using the slips on which they write and paste it on the water bottle. They could also write it on a paper and carry it under the pillow or carry it in their wallet or the vanity bags. So try any of them. Do not go to buy the gemstones because they are thousands in number. You cannot be buying all the stones as they are also costlier. It can be also written on the left side of your body. It is quite effective. So try any of these methods if you are in such a situation. Watch the video again if you have any confusion. Do not have any doubts. Try to follow it. Share the video if any of your friends require this kind of help. Visit my website. Take the phone number. If you wish to consult me personally, you can do it. Thank you all.